Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking down your sources and first captures. Set frame rate and resolution deliberately because mismatches cost time later. Once you have clean takes, mark in and out points immediately and record room sound or a lav for flexibility. Make short, consistent file names and add date or camera ID. This speeds retrieval. You'll save hours during edits if clips arrive organized, so do this right away before moving into trims and sequencing. You now focus on the complex middle work, cleaning and grouping. Import everything into one project, then create bins for scenes, cameras, and takes. Rough trim to remove pauses and bad frames so your timeline stays lean. When you have multiple angles, make multicam clips or compound clips to switch faster. Sync audio by timecode or waveform to keep lip sync perfect. Once done, build a selects reel of the strongest shots so you can assemble the edit with confidence. You wrap up by refining and exporting. Finalize cuts, tighten pacing, and add transitions sparingly. Then do color grading and balance audio, aiming for consistent levels. Export with the delivery codec and resolution requested, and save an archival copy of raw clips and project files. If something goes wrong, first verify frame rate and codec mismatches, then relink any offline media. This usually solves dropped frames or audio drift. Make sure to test the exported file on the target device before delivery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.